Bawat tingin mo, ako'y nandito lang. Tahimik na mundo, puso ko'y ikaw ang laman. Ngunit sa kwento mo, ibang bida. Ako'y anino lang sa likod ng iyong tadhana. Kung pwede lang baguhin ang pahina, ako sanang pinili mo. Halos tayo, pero hindi naging tayo. Ako'y nandito pero di mo ako pinili. Hinawakan ko ang kamay mo para sa iba, at nasaktan habang pinapasaya ka. Halos tayo, hanggang dito na lang ba? Pinilit kong umiti kahit durog ako. Tinulungan kang abutin ang pangarap mo, pero sa dulo ako'y naiwan sa mundong ikaw lang ang dahilan. Kung isang saglit ako'y nakita mo, baka nag-iba ang takbo ng puso. Halos tayo, pero hindi naging tayo. Ako'y minahal ka sa maling panahon. Kung babalik man ang lahat ng sandali, pipiliin pa rin kitang mahalin, kahit alam ko hindi magiging tayo.
This is OST Obsession, your daily dose of music. Today you heard an original track inspired by the movie Almost Us. The track is called Halo's Teo, a story that lives in the quiet space between friendship and love. Almost Us follows two souls bound by timing, longing, and the painful truth that not every love is meant to fully become real, no matter how deeply it's felt. It's a modern romance shaped by missed chances, emotional vulnerability, and the bittersweet realization that sometimes, the right person arrives at the wrong time. The film was officially released in Philippine cinemas on May 6, 2026, where audiences can experience it on the big screen, with streaming details yet to be announced. If you've ever loved someone you almost had, you already know how this ends.